This is how everything arrives. So let me give you kind of a closer look at the splitter. The main reason I got this is I had a brass splitter and it breaks. This is not the first one that's done that, so I like having the quarter turn, which I guess the brass splitter is also quarter turn, but these are just a lot easier to move, so I feel like it should be a bit easier to close all the way shut. So here's a look inside at the valve. So pretty big actually, so that is nice. And this is stainless steel, so this should be more durable than brass, at least that's my hope. And then it does come with this that you can tighten, get it on there tight. It does come with some Teflon tape. Probably shouldn't need to use that, but you will need to use at least one of these O-rings. After putting this on, it's really nice and easy to open and close the valves. It seems to be working great. I will do a follow-up probably at the end of the season.